Understanding fractions. What is a fraction? A fraction is a part of a whole. Two parts of a fraction. The number above the bar line is called numerator. Numerator is the number of parts taken or shaded. The number below the bar line is called denominator. Denominator is the number of parts the whole is divided. Examples of fractions: 1/4, 1/2, 2/4, 4/8, 7/4, 3/4. So these are some examples of fractions. Look at the picture. Into how many parts the whole is divided? 1, 2, 3, 4. How many is shaded? 1. Therefore, what part of the whole is taken? 1/4. How about this one? How many hearts do we have? Let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 hearts. How many are shaded? 1, 2, 3. Therefore, what part of the set of hearts is shaded? 3/12. What do we have here? Yes, it's a pizza. Into how many parts the whole pizza is divided? Let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. How many is taken? 1. Therefore, what part of the whole pizza is taken? 1/8. Kinds of fractions: proper fraction, improper fraction, mixed number, similar or like fractions, dissimilar or unlike fractions. What is a proper fraction? A proper fraction is a fraction less than 1. Its numerator is less than its denominator. Let us have some examples of proper fraction. 4/5, 2/3, 3/8, 5/6. How about improper fraction? An improper fraction is a fraction greater than or equal to 1 whole. Its numerator is greater than its denominator. Examples: 3 halves, 5 fifths, 7 fourths, 10 over 9. How about mixed number? A mixed number is a number containing a whole number and a fraction. 3 and 1/2, 2 and 2/3, 7 and 3/4. What about similar or like fractions? A similar or like fractions are fractions whose denominators are the same. These are the examples: 3/8, 5/8, 4/8. Another one is 2/10, 5/10, and 7/10. Dissimilar or unlike fractions. A dissimilar or unlike fractions are fractions whose denominators are different. Examples: 2 fifths, 3 fourths, and 1/2. Another one, 5/8, 2/3, 4/7. The end. Thank you for watching my PowerPoint presentation. I hope you enjoyed it.